A mosquito in a thunderstorm should be finished. It is not. One raindrop can weigh many times more than the insect. Scaled to us, that impact is like a bus-sized hit. So why does the mosquito not get smashed instantly? Guess now. Armor? Dodging? Or something stranger? The answer is stranger. The mosquito rides the raindrop. Scientists tested this with high-speed cameras and falling water drops. The slow-motion footage showed a tiny survival sequence. The drop is fast, but the mosquito is incredibly light. A light object does not stop the drop much. Because the drop barely slows down, it gives less force. Instead of being crushed, the insect becomes a passenger. For a moment, water wraps around its body. Its body surface helps water bead up instead of soaking in. That waterproof effect matters when escape time is tiny. The danger is not the hit. It is the ground. It must peel away before the drop splashes. When it breaks free in time, it survives.
Rain looks chaotic, but size changes the rules. Big bodies absorb impact. Tiny bodies often move with it. Being lightweight sounds weak, but here it is protection. Some raindrops can be over 50 times heavier. They can fall near highway bicycle speed through the air. The mosquito may experience hundreds of Gs and keep going. That would be extreme for us. For it, survivable. Its strong exoskeleton also helps spread the stress. The impact acts less like a hammer, more like a shove. The mosquito wins by refusing to stand still. A glancing hit spins it. A direct hit carries it. Even after spinning, it can recover its flight path.
Mosquito wings beat fast enough to restart control quickly. After a hit, it may drop many body lengths. That short fall becomes its escape window. If it exits before splashdown, the storm loses. Here is the challenge. Could a human copy that trick? No, we are too massive to ride the impact. The trick works because the mosquito barely changes the drop. The drop keeps most of its speed and momentum. Think of it less as impact, more as surfing. Surface tension helps the droplets stay together during contact. Water beads roll away instead of trapping it completely. That helps it separate, shake off water, and fly again. That is why rain does not always stop mosquito activity. Many mosquitoes live where humidity and rain are normal. Rain can even create more standing water for them. The real mosquito boost often comes after the storm. The storm passes. The tiny survivor keeps flying. Remember the bus? The mosquito does not stop it.
It moves with the blow, then escapes the ride.
Hit, ride, release. That is the survival sequence. Engineers study this for tiny flying robot designs. Small drones may need the same rain survival physics. Nature solved a problem engineers still struggle with. The smaller the animal, the stranger physics becomes.
If your guess was ride, claim your science point. Comment drop rider if this fact surprised you.
Low mass, strong shell, waterproof surface, fast escape. A storm that looks deadly becomes a moving elevator. Share this with someone who thinks rain defeats mosquitoes. Like, subscribe, and follow for more everyday science surprises.